Hey guys, welcome back, and you're at your girl Concrete Memories channel. And today I am camming up because I want to show you guys a product that I recently bought from Sephora. There's like dust flying around. A product that I recently bought from Sephora. I bought a bunch of products, but let me go through and find it. So I bought a rose lip scrub and a mask, lip sleeping mask. So I'm gonna use both products. It's winter time in New York, and child, my lips are hella dry. Like, they're always dry. Doesn't matter how much Carmax, Blistex, lip gloss, whatever I use. It doesn't matter how much I use. My lips are always dry, so I'm here to put an end to that. Listen, I need healthy, glowing lips. I can't be walking around with my lips all chapped. All right, so we're gonna start with this. I have nothing on my lips. My lips are very dry. I'll get close so you can see my dry ass lips. All right, gonna open it up. What it looks like. And this was on sale. Can't remember how much I spent, but I will definitely look it up and put it in the description below. And this is what it looks like on. It doesn't taste that great. Okay, so, and also doesn't smell that great either. Doesn't smell terrible, but I was thinking maybe it's gonna smell like rose, but it doesn't. When you first open it, it looks very smooth. It comes on like, how do I describe? Very silk-like, but once you start using it, you'll notice there's tiny little beads in it. And it's really moisturizing. Doesn't smell that great, doesn't taste great. It's not sweet or anything. But very moisturizing. I like this. I have a little bit of dead skin, so I was hoping that it would help. I guess I had to keep using it to get the dead skin off. Yeah, it has these exfoliating beads. I'm assuming you have to keep using it to get the dead skin off. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so in the beginning, it goes on very soft, like you don't feel anything, and then you have to keep on applying it to get the scrub. Those mini little beads. I have to keep rubbing it in to get that scrub you're looking for. Yeah, so now I actually feel it exfoliating my lips, which is what I wanted. And then wipe it off. I recognized I had a problem and I'm taking care of it. All right, let me get this off. Wow, look at that. Girl, you should have got this a long time ago. Oh my goodness, I'm so impressed. Okay, okay. Okay, lips. Looking rosy. And I'm just using a paper towel to get all this extra product off. But honestly, my lips feel amazing. Like, I don't even have any chapstick on. It really brought out the color of my lips too. Okay. So now that I put that on, I'm gonna take all that extra residue and I'm gonna go in with a lip mask. So this is to hydrate and moisturize my lips. This is a lip sleeping mask. I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna leave it on for 10 minutes and then come back and show you what my lips, the final results look like. Smells really nice, like strawberries. I'll probably put some on before bed tonight. Yeah, this feels really nice. It's not gooey. It's just, it kind of feels like I'm applying Vaseline, like a strawberry scented Vaseline. That's exactly how it feels. All right, I'm actually gonna leave this on for 20 minutes. I will be back. Okay, it has been 20 minutes. I'm going to wipe this off. I don't even know if I'm supposed to wipe it off like this, but I'm gonna dab it off. I think I'm gonna add some water because it is a mask, and take it off that way too. Okay, this is the finished outcome. My lips feel extremely soft. I am actually impressed. I think a few more sessions of this and I might be halfway there. I'm actually gonna put on some lip cream. I am happy with the outcome. I would definitely purchase these items again. I want to get a couple more sessions in. But yes, I would say definitely run to the store and buy this. If you are struggling with the dry lips, I will definitely leave the product items below with the prices. And I probably spent less than $15 on both of the products. And I purchased it from Sephora. So hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.